How do you remove this mount? First, I attached the new mount, and then if you see it's already kind of apart because I put it in there for that, but you just have to jank it off. So like move it, like you grab it from here and go left and right like this, and you move it off, and that will be for this particular mount for the Samsung model or something similar. This model number. What the hell is wrong with my keyboard? There we go. For this particular Samsung. But there are other Samsungs and they're all pain in the neck. And underneath this, if you don't want this thing at all, which you really need to take it off, okay? Underneath here, inside, like that. Once you take this part off, you'll see screws. And maybe you can take those off and this will be removed. All right, but you know this. You just jank this off and then jank this up and that's it. All right, take care.